Upgrade your kitchen with the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set. This three-piece set, 8, 10, and 12, features durable hard anodized aluminum construction for even heating, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The high-quality, long-lasting non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. Imagine effortlessly flipping asparagus, like in the picture, or creating your favorite dishes with minimal sticking. The sleek design and double-riveted stainless steel handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, while the tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, this versatile set is perfect for any kitchen. Oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. But to preserve the non-stick finish, we recommend washing by hand. Don't settle for less. Invest in the All-Clad HA1 and experience the difference superior cookware makes. Click here to order yours today and enjoy a lifetime of delicious